Zhengzhou, the hometown of Chinese blacksmiths, ShanDong Huamin Steel Ball Company Limited, founded in 1986. After 38 years of arduous entrepreneurship and innovation, constantly focusing on technological innovation and production equipment research and development of steel balls and steel grinding rods. Huamin firmly adheres to the development path of specialization, refinement, uniqueness, and innovation. Has become the undisputed leading enterprise in the Chinese steel ball industry. Innovation leading to a new chapter. The forming process of large diameter grinding steel balls mainly includes several methods, such as hot rolling forming and forging forming. Taking 120 mm steel ball as an example, if round steel is formed by skewed rolling, the ratio of the diameter of the hot rolled steel balls to the diameter of the round steel used is 1:1, resulting in a smaller forging ratio. After the steel ball is formed, its deformation, tissue stress, and core hardness indicators are significantly lower than those of forged steel balls. Moreover, it may cause loose internal structure and low wear resistance of the steel ball, and its breakage rate is relatively high. As for forged steel balls, also taking the example of Phi 120 mm steel ball, when using round steel bar with a diameter of 80 mm, the length is about 180 mm, and the ratio to the diameter of the steel ball is 1.5:1, which means there is a compression ratio of about 1.5. The internal quality of the steel ball has been improved. When using air hammer forging, affected by the skill level of the workers, the production capacity is low, and the product quality is uneven. After continuous research and innovation, one press is used for hot cutting, while another press is responsible for forging and forming. Compared to air hammer forging, this method offers a slight increase in production efficiency, but it still requires manual material clamping and molding. The uneven forging process is still caused by human factors. To solve long-standing industry problems and help the rapid and stable development of China's mineral industry, Huamin Steel Ball is determined to move forward with determination and research, and develop independently produced equipment to solve the problems that restrict the development of the industry. Compared with international advanced steel ball production equipment and process technology, after years of practice and exploration, under the leadership of the R&D team and experts at Huamin Company, we have overcome numerous technical challenges and broken through patented technologies one by one, has successfully developed steel ball production equipment with independently intellectual property rights, a complete set of production lines for large-scale horizontal cutting and feeding integrated steel ball forming host configuration, including automatic feeding, automatic tempering, automatic packaging, energy-saving heating, and isothermal heat treatment filled the gap in the new forging process of large-scale forged steel balls and fully automated production lines in China. Huamin Steel Ball is committed to completely independent research and development, constantly exploring new processes. The surface hardness of forged steel ball produced by the new process can reach more than HRC 60. The core hardness is more than HRC 58, and the impact value is greater than or equal to 15 joules per square centimeter. The technical indicators of the product have achieved breakthrough improvements and cutting feeding integrated steel ball forming technology. Its advantages are mainly reflected in the following aspects. In terms of production efficiency, The main unit of the production line adopts an integrated structure of feeding, cutting, and forming. The theoretical production capacity is more than 5 times that of air hammer forging and more than 2 times that of split-type press forging. In terms of saving labor costs, to achieve the same production capacity, 10 people are needed for air hammer forging and 6 people are needed for split-type presses. The all-in-one cutting and feeding process for steel ball molding allows just 1 person to handle the entire operation, significantly reducing labor intensity. At the same time, the complete production line is equipped with an intelligent central control room, and all key points in the production process are automatically controlled. Each process point is monitored in real time. Data can be retrieved in real time during the processes of feeding, heating, forming, shaping, heat treating, and packaging of round steel. Significantly reduce the impact of human factors on product quality, thereby ensuring the product quality of steel balls. The standard of consistent product quality from the first steel ball to the last has been truly achieved. In addition, real-time data display and production data storage are achieved for various operating parameters and key temperature points of heat treatment on the production line to ensure that product quality data is traceable and retrievable at all times. Nowadays, Huamin's large-diameter forged steel balls are of high quality, high performance, and high production capacity, providing strong development support and market competitiveness for large mining enterprises such as Zijin Mining and Baoshan Copper Mine, and received unanimous recognition and praise from the industry and customers. Embark on a new journey in a new era. 38 years of persistent perseverance, striving for progress. ShanDong Huamin Steel Ball will continue to uphold the banner of national enterprises and aim at the world-class enterprises in the industry. Persist in scientific research and innovation. Pioneer advanced technological processes and equipment, and steadily follow the path of development characterized by specialization, refinement, uniqueness, and innovation. Our mission is to develop more advanced process equipment and produce higher quality steel ball products, striving to create greater value for the steel ball industry and mining enterprises, for society, for enterprises, and for employees.